ஹை கேம் வீவர்ஸ், கிளம்பு சிட்டி எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க. நைட்ல அவ்வளோ அருமையா இருக்கு, அழகா இருக்கு. இந்த கிளம்பு சிட்டி தான் இப்போ நீங்க நைட்ல பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறீங்க. யாலுனி බලන්න கிளம்பு සිටි කොච්චර ලස්සනයි කියලා බලන්න. මාර ලස්සනයි රේට සුපිරියම තියෙනවා. Actually my friend look here, very beautiful and very nice Colombo city. Night time it is very nice, very beautiful and very nice. Look here, such a nice and beautiful views, very nice view. பாருங்க அவ்வளோ அருமையான அழகான வியூ ஆயிருக்கு. இது வந்து சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு. யாலும் බලන්න එතරම් මාර ලස්සන view බලන්න සුපිරියම තියෙනවා. එතරම් සුපිරියම තියෙනවා night view බලන්න. අනිත් කරන දුර පේන එක ITC රත්නදීපා, ඒ වගේම හිල්ටන් හොටල්, ඒ වගේ ෆෝර්ට් සිටි ඔන්න බලන්න දුර පේන ෆෝර්ට් සිටි, ඒ වගේම ගෝල්ෆිස් මෝල්, ගෝල්ෆිස් මේකම ඔන්න බලන්න සුපිරියටම තියෙනවා. මේක නයිට් විව් පට්ට ලස්සනයි, සුපිරියටම තියෙන ඒ තරම් ලස්සනයි. බලන්න මේ විව් එක සුපිරි வியூ, மார் லස්සනයි. நியமட்டமா තියෙනවා. ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து பாருங்க எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவ்வளோ அருமையா அழகா இருக்கு. நைட் டைம்ல பார்க்கவே அருமையான வியூ, சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு, ரொம்ப அருமையா அழகா இருக்கு பாருங்க. Actually my friend, look here, Colombo city night time, it's very nice and beautiful. Very nice view, very nice and very beautiful. This is actually Colombo city, very nice beautiful city, beautiful view, fantastic view, fantastic city. Look here, very nice city. Night time, wow, very beautiful. Colombo city is very beautiful city, fantastic viewers, very nice. Look here, such a nice beautiful city. Look here, fantastic. Okay, I'm going to show you around everywhere. Look here, night time how it is. பாருங்க வந்து ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நைட் டைமில் அவ்வளோ அருமையாக அழகாக இருக்குது, சூப்பர்பாக இருக்குது, பார்க்கவே அருமையாக இருக்குது. பாருங்கள் இது ஃபுல்லாக நான் உங்களுக்கு காட்டுறேன். அவுட் சைடு எல்லாமே பாருங்கள் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. அதோட இந்த கோல்ஃபிஷ் வந்து பக்கத்தில் தான் இருக்குது. வந்து கோல்ஃபிஷ் இந்த சைடு, அதாவது இது வந்து அதர் சைட். பாருங்கள் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு. வாவ், பியூட்டிஃபுல், அவ்வளோ அருமையாக இருக்குது. வந்து சூப்பர்பாக இருக்குது நைட் டைமில். பாருங்கள் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு. very nice and very beautiful view, very beautiful view. கேம் வியூவர்ஸ் வந்து பாருங்கள் நைட்டில் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. கொலம்போ சிட்டி அவ்வளோ அருமையாக அழகாக இருக்குது, சூப்பர் வியூ, very nice beautiful location, very nice view, fantastic. Friends, බලන්න එතරම් මාර ලස්සනයි, සුපිරියට විදිහට එතරම් night time. wow, very nice. ඒ කියන්නේ පට්ට ලස්සනයි කියන විදිහම එතරම් ලස්සනයි, මාර ලස්සනයි එතරම්. wow, beautiful, very beautiful. very nice. KMV, thank you very much for watching KMV. Thank you so much friends. උම්මේලේ thank you very much for watching KMV. Thank you very much. යාළුවනි ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැමෝටම thank you very much. We are together for Sri Lanka. We are together with AKD. Thank you very much. Congratulations to everyone. Thank you so much. Be happy everyone. Thank you very much. And also come foreigners to Sri Lanka. You can enjoy a lot if you come to Sri Lanka. There are lots of like these beautiful places. Sri Lankan Colombo city also very nice and beautiful. Not only Sri Lanka Colombo city but also Sri Lanka everywhere is very nice and very beautiful. So if you come to Sri Lanka you can enjoy a lot. So come to Sri Lanka, enjoy here. Thank you very much for coming to Sri Lanka. There are lots of like these beautiful hotels and also there are lots of like these beautiful places and also there are very beautiful beaches and beautiful views, beautiful mountains and everything are there and also very nice food at Sri Lanka. You can enjoy if you come to Sri Lanka. Definitely you come Sri Lanka. There are very unity people. All of them are very unity now. There are lots of beautiful places. Enjoy. Come to Sri Lanka. Thank you very much for coming to Sri Lanka. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Come to Sri Lanka everyone. We are Sri Lankan. Happy to welcome all foreigners to Sri Lanka. Enjoy here. Thank you very much for coming to Sri Lanka. Thank you very much. Bye bye.